Muchas gracias, Padre José Riveiro, por siempre uno leñada. What does it mean? Translate it for us and tell us what it means to you.
The literal meaning is thank you, Father. I think it's something like you will be forever a legend. What it means, look, I'm a football coach. It's not frequent that a head coach is leaving a club the way that I'm doing my walk away right now today. So it's something to be proud of. My time in Pirates is a life changer. It's something else. I cannot describe the way I feel with these boys, with the fans, with everything around the club in this moment. It's going to take so much time, and actually I can't.
These fans love you, Coach.
And I love you them as well. I love them. I love them as well. It's been a very close relation wherever we go. I think we managed to it's not about trophies, it's not about victories, it's not about goals, it's not only about good football, it's about to manage to make that the people is again, or if it's not again, if they still were identified with the team, identified with the brand, identified with the vision of the club. And I think the future is looking so good for the team, for the fans, and for everybody in general.
You say it's life-changing being at Orlando Pirates, being with these fans. What about your life has changed as coach of Orlando Pirates?
Much more responsibility, obviously. This is a big institution, it's a movement, it's a way of life. It's not only about 90 minutes. The responsibility with my boys, with the players, knowing that I have to be there, you have to be there every day, there for them, and trying to help them in whatever they need. I came here from a unknown league, let's put it in this way. I was an unknown coach in the country. I'm still unknown in many countries. I'm not saying that right now I'm bigger than before, but at least I'm somebody else right now because of the